Jason, don't forget to wash up before you enter your room.
Yeah, yeah.
It's taking us downtown. You're watching me, watching me, watching me go. But I never listen. No, I never let you know. Now we're heading uptown. Is there something or nothing you wanted to say? 'Cause I need to go now. Do you want me to stay? Stay.
Dear students, I need you to fill out this future school and career form. It will be used as a guidance for the school to help you in finding a stable university. Please send it back to me by this afternoon. Sincerely yours, Miss Ellen.
When sky blue gets dark in there, to see the colors of the city light.
Hello?
Hey Jay, I'm sorry Jay. I think I'll be late.
Okay, sure.
See you in the park, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Comes and goes, comes and goes, like no one can.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Are you waiting for someone? Alright. May I? Paper's amazing, isn't it?
What?
Paper.
Paper?
Well, yeah, paper. You can spend hours and hours just holding it and make things out of it.
What do you mean?
Well, every fold and every step you make will create something in the end. In the beginning, You must have had something in mind of what you want folded into.
What if I don't actually know what I'm gonna fold?
You do know what you're folding. It's just that growing up had cost you to constrain your vision and stray your paths.
How can I be so sure that people will like what I'm making? What if they don't?
It doesn't actually matter about other people's opinion. Do you actually like what you're creating? If so, I'm sure that there will be someone who thinks so too.
Then, what does the fold means?
The fold leaves a mark, determining your future through each and every step. And by that, this paper plane represents a future.
Jason? 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 Jason, Mommy is going to a friend's house. I prepared food for you. If you're hungry, go grab it downstairs.
Would you